Okay, I'm back. I found that sometimes videos are really hard to upload, takes forever. I was wondering if changing my camera settings would speed that up. It's not a bad day. It's +3. A little bit of light snow. I don't know if anybody understands that, but snow does occur above 0. Ooh, look at that big tree that went down. 2 of them, I guess. I think it might be just about the end of this forest, but I'm gonna just go take a peek. There are some giant quarries around here. They are expanding the expressway, and I'm sure they're getting most of their aggregate from here, this area around here. And I'm sure that's what they did when they originally built the freeways years ago. But it's nice that they still have sustainable ground. And that they put an effort into it. I know that if a tree falls, they don't do much. They cut it up and they place it off the road. I could do something else, but who am I to judge? It all costs money. Oh, look at that. A vine. I was just thinking how I don't see very many vines around here, and next thing you know, there's one. Went to the top and took over. I don't know if it's a dead tree or not. These 2 trees here, they're doing the hug thing. They've grown and twisted together. I'm sure just up ahead of me here is going to be a deep quarry. I've never been here, so I can't say 100%, but I can see a lot of snow coming down now out there. And again, it's above 0. Snow's coming down. not sure how much camera time I have left. I may have to end the hike soon. Oh yeah. If you look way out there, try to zoom it in for you. I think there's a big quarry over there. I don't know if I'm high enough to show you that. Let's zoom you back in. I don't know if you guys can see the snow coming down. There's an old tree. That was a big tree at one time. Well, So today I brought a little bit of food. I even stopped to have breakfast before I came out. I got something to drink. I'm carrying my knife just in case. It's a knife that has a fire striker and so forth on it. Got a little flashlight with it if I really needed it. I got my phone. I don't have my PLB because the PLB that I have is still in my mind. I haven't purchased it yet. There's another little vine. But I really think that a PLB and a GPS of some sort would help. Have my phone. I would say I'm about a mile and a half from my car, that's it. And I'm on my way out. So far I haven't seen any indication that anybody else but me has been here today. But you know, one thing, I got good boots. They're not hiking boots, but they're good winter boots. You need good footwear. Keep your feet dry. Especially in the winter. Summer might not matter as much. A little bit of wetness here and there might actually make it feel better. But you should still get them dried out as soon as you're done for the day. See those two different trees there? I would say that that's a softwood and a hardwood tree growing right beside each other. I think that should teach us a lesson in life. We might be different, but we sure can live with each other. I'm just gonna shut you off for a second, turn you back on once I get past this area. Welcome back. I just was thinking that I might mention this, that there is room for medication in this world. I believe it. My two sisters are nurses. They work hard and they know a lot. But there's also needs to be a balance of other things too, like the real world. That's just the real world. Nature has a calming effect. Better air to breathe. Different vibration or whatever you want to call it. I just heard a woodpecker, I believe. Not even sunny. But I guess he's hungry. I don't know if you can see back in there. I'll zoom you in. Quite a bit of down trees there. Sometimes that happens because of the wind. Sometimes. Other times I'm not sure why that happens. I know there's another place that I spend a lot of time at. And every spring when I get there, I can see where somebody's come along, cut trees down, and just left them there. They weren't over the trail or anything. I don't know, maybe some people think firewood will be better later. I'm not a believer in that. Best way to split wood, I believe, is right after you cut the tree down. Get splitting it. Don't let it harden up. But those same people could probably give me good reasons why they did it. So until I know those reasons, I guess I shouldn't open my mouth up against them. Oh, look at this. I'm using my phone to film right now, or else I'd click it off and find out with one of my apps what kind of mushroom that is. Growing on dead piece of wood, tree. This is quite the mature forest in a sense. Got some red pines. Some spruce. Some maples in here. White pine straight ahead there, up there. I believe those are birch trees way over there. Maybe some young beech trees. I'm not a tree expert. Big trees with big arches on them. That might be a... Should get my camera going. Well, I'm going to pause for a sec. I'll be back in a few minutes. I'm back now. You hear some creaky trees in here. I used to work in a sawmill. There's a birch tree. There's different types of birch trees. White birch, silver, golden or yellow birch. I always like to see the little softwood growing. Little spruce tree right there. Come on, buddy, you can do it. You can grow up. Snow's coming down a little faster now. Not so much bigger, but faster. I don't know if you can see it. Well, if you're still with me, thank you for coming. I have other videos where I read the Word of God. I just got done the long one, Psalm 119. You can check that out. You'd have to go on one of my playlists. But if you're just here for the calming, peaceful nature, that's medicine for your soul, for your body. I understand that totally. I know it's only January, but I'm kind of getting anxious for spring to come along. And I really should be grateful because we've had a really easy winter. They seem to be getting easier. I don't know if that's because of climate change. I am just going to say that I'm more of a planetary change than a climate change. They say if you look at all the different planets around us, all of them are heating up. So why wouldn't ours be heating up? Not sure. You could go around in circles talking about that. So over the years I've convinced myself about everything's warming up, not just our planet. There's definitely evidence of damage us humans have done here, but that's how it is. We should strive to be better. I have no problem with that. This may be one of the longest videos I have. I hope it doesn't take 24 hours to run through the stabilizer. But if it does, it does. Oh, there's a cedar tree. Been here a while. Fighting for water. Just going to show you some more mushrooms. Well, folks, I'm just about done. I enjoyed it. I hope you did. Just gonna zoom in on that birch tree back there, my favorite tree. Have a great day, folks. Take care. Thanks for coming.